Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix your Roku TV not connecting to a new Wi-Fi without using a remote in a simple way. First, turn on your Roku TV and make sure it's on the home screen. Since you don't have the remote, use the Roku mobile app on your phone. Download it from your app store and connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network your Roku was previously connected to. Open the app, and it should detect your Roku automatically. Once connected, use the on-screen remote inside the app to control your TV. Now go to Settings, then Network, and choose Set Up Connection. Select Wireless and pick your new Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the password carefully and connect. If your phone is not on the same network, you can use Mobile Hotspot with the same name and password as the old Wi-Fi to connect first, then switch to the new network easily. Subscribe the channel for more videos.